It's got all the modern features that you expect from the vehicle. It's got cruise control, it's got automatic lights, it's got automatic windscreen wipers.
All these sort of things that you would get in any other new vehicle, you never had it in a cab before. So when you first get in the cab, there's a lot of information to take on board and it can be confusing for people.
When you bought the cab and you first got it, it was like you've been landed in a spaceship. What do I do with this?
Everything's touch screen, it's new. I enjoy it. It's like playing new gadgets.
Yeah, I mean, at first there's a lot to take in, but once you get the hang of it, I just keep to the basic things that I know.
I've been driving it for 18 months, and now it's second nature now. It's easy.
Everything's exactly where I need it for a cab.
All the controls are there. Everything you need for you is there.
All of the equipment is easy to use. The screen is fantastic. The music centre is fantastic.
Heating's absolutely brilliant. I mean, we've got full climate control.
You can regulate the temperature. It's so much better.
I always use the aircon.
If you get 4 or 5 people in the back of the cab, it's raining, the cab mists up. As soon as you put it on, it clears.
You don't have to worry about trying to wipe your window inside, the condensation. You don't have any of them problems.
You have your setup how you want it. You have your driver's seat configured how you want it.
You can adjust the seat perfectly for you.
When I go home overnight, because I live a bit of a dual carriageway, cruise control. It's a relaxing way to drive home.
The sat-nav, I'm not going to tell you lies, I don't use it.
Sat-nav I've never used.
A sat-nav, I never use a sat-nav.
But the parking sensors, the rear camera, I use all the time. I didn't think I'd get on with it, but no, it's brilliant. I use it all the time.
I can't live without it now.
The drop-down seats are quite high up, so you can get suitcases underneath the seats as well.
Finding new things, what you can do. Just found out that if you push your indicator stalk when you park up the vehicle overnight when the ignition's turned off, all the interior lights, the exterior lights all come on. Everything's lit up for me to plug my charger in and that.
The wheelchair ramp, it's so much easier.
You want to get them in as pain-free as possible, as quickly as possible.
I mean, it's made life so easy. It's just literally pull a switch, pull it out.
Nice, sturdy. I feel confident pushing the passenger in.
And the fact that it sits underneath the floor before we have to push the passenger forward.
That even the passengers have commented how easy it is, because before it was a bit steep. Now it's a long, drawn-out ramp.
Again, the swivel chair is the same. Pull one lever, the chair swivels out for people that have difficulty walking. They've got it spot on.